woka side chick asama na ebi no hurasim no mo be kan because ene de ono no ye Mrs. Nti wa yes side chick ni bia bra be Mrs. Nti no woka ya no wa hurasim yeah I don't care the obadwini bia me side chick products nam de bedru be bia medru enti side chick ne de metiase hwe ade bia nyame mpene so na ensi side chick industry na me binimo mu fie hia na esi o mu kon so ahwe.
Hello guys, my name is Paco to the Rich, a from fancy YouTuber. Now, issue all the trend of Ghana CCR or Atlantic Bank and the money in Janasimi. Still, issue the addendum yere koyenya more information. I'm on for a chair with views. I'm on for the wide and a chair bar. The what's a ban the feed Yansa woman are nowadays it makes sense for discussion and we will definitely bring it on board. Now ya church or so a lady has spoken and I'm my friend godmother of all side chicks. Yes, my friend godmother of all side chicks because information are order to across and I'm a man who don't industry anymore. The ways are growing industry anymore. And I think she's making a lot of sense. As a more can Yansa womb. So yen to me, young fan try and young move over it, keke. Would have to listen to her and listen to her very careful. I personally feel that what this girl did, Debbie Seria Mo say Bazi, she's going to ruin the opportunity of a lot of people. I'm not trying to, say there a drama boy is the best way out there, another best way to survive as a young girl. But we all know that these things has been in existence for a very long time. And now binu have a fame wing and home for so a whole lot of things goes into it. Sabi. Let us not take it from the context that I mean, every ideal person, logical person behind him, the sexual intimacy or a mutual feeling. You, the woman, would also have a level of excitement, even if you don't like the man. So far as you are wet and you are also having sex with him. Because also beneficiaries. Into woman ask some more king, woman and say. Nasimo reckon also of you been a point to be I bring it out, then let's listen to it.
And I guess I'm about there more. And I guess I'm about in this side chick industry na more goodness. Hey, to me at time we sugar the no court. Then it is carry before the ma when say we been and can do baby or ma be me. What they are called bobra. A drew court, a drew sa. More to papa phone and you na most see be no muswakwan. Share. Woka side chick asama na ebi no hurasim no mo be kan because ene de ono no ye Mrs. Nti wa yes side chick ni bia bra be Mrs. Nti no woka ya no wa hurasim yeah I don't care the obadwini bia me side chick products nam de bedru be bia medru enti side chick ne de metiase hwe ade bia nyame mpene so na ensi side chick industry na me binimo mu fie hia na esi o mu kon so ahwe. And now maybe my do why to me a co school, ya show mu school, much me a bosses so, and you mum, I did do mu CEO near the day. Such a na men ne bin no more da papa them, and no more da cement to them. Solomon, none of you say. One now will be criticizes me cast such a custom to me, boy girls, me fair girls, no. One cause I know on your side chicken, I'll be real. Why ye be abre? Say no why ye misses up, Mammy Castle, would dearly say, know your position, ne maintain ye, do your duties as a wife. Na uku or qua a sabathi. And me or social media say, and now wapon whom obey your wife intin, also be your wife, and this will be you be connected. You can't stop it. Sadly, we're starting young bobias and starting. Men can't show be basso could you be connected, but so obey dear or make use of it on Canantum and do by Germany. ene girls omaba so munye odefo bia na bibia opeso bia so se wo de ti nipa we nti kwan bi o de befa so bi obema aba abontima nipa ehu no obeye kaya ntum ne ye fam wa ye ho na ye firim we ya wo de ne call court e de ne beto front page go na ni masi e de na benya firiso ono na twempana de also ye bia wa ye de aduru baabi won nanim de nti ose wajai ko baabi sike wa mo bia isika akroto bi ma ho ifia wo han a wotinya wa han ma atim se na so ntua bi ma tu ne kope ho de sika no de ma na de no afa bia anya adwuma. In fact mu sisi bi ni mu kwan yo mu jimi sisi bi ni mu kwan ya na ye me ya pa me hu so bi eye papa bi sa na ye me ya because ebi ni me kwan be fa so ewiase e dia do mu hono no so mu sisi hu kwan ma me form baba be kasa me se girls ni ade ende me form ho because ebi ni kwa wo mu ne course and wo mu kunu mu ko fa sa check who de wo say as a wife oye tini kunu ekwa lokoshi obi obetumi aya no aye na de asimbo ni say wo ma ya na omokun bebebe na bi wakwa ni kunu kra sebi ne huni ho sika na so won wo hu so timi hwe ni fie ye bibia nti ohia girl bi aso be hwehwe ni ma keke no atiti bia menadi enso na wo ko ho enam be ne tia ho bi ko twa awia ya na mo ko ho uni pa se bia ukunu huni ho enso so hu ni sa chika na akobo no we had free papa yes munya jimi no atu munya jimi na munya osi akwan na moye no emmoa wate munya mama munyansa munyusu munyansa na mufam piemfrim mama.
Well, Obi Bakave, a word to a wise is enough. But I think, regardless of how we might all portray, ye Bakave, ye holy, ye special, ye dinyamena sam donazi, and some more can be factual. You see, if young girls be why you're successful, will be yet very truthful. Now I can acquire some of the things that propel them or skyrocketed them to where they are now. Okay, you bondo ya nkofu woku no more sources. You understand? Messi say sugar daddies are woku ma what kind of radio supports are here. Saloons bebre wo krom ho bogu. Makeup shops bebre wo krom ho bogu. Wine shops bebre wo krom ho bogu. Just name it. A lot of businesses. Bonde ge we ko boy business bi or a boutique bebre bogu. Emu de business na ankasa. Onya jo record but otano keke. Otano so ya wakatena no na waka na sare oba na otano. No so business no re no nya dame support na haten but nya yanyim there. Small girl with big God and only Gabriel or Oforida akun. Only sugar daddy Gordon or ye G.O.D. or ye Gabriel Oforida akun, Mr. Gabriel Oforida akun. Not a support one. You understand? Intima mo bia but na hanya na hypocritical. Obinez na waba na yereka. Wataza obinez na waba na yereka. But nye na ye will be. There were skeletons in the cupboard. So let us be honest with ourselves. Our firma men say obi no opportunity. And then once you answer so one more 20,000 men zini nara mafani nara nkoto phones save some because there are times obi to me a change of mind that I think I have to focus on my family. I don't want to have any extramarital affairs. If you are not demands from even external families, I buy more. And so they lay low. The finances are below, they lay low. but zawaya mo na nkai ebugu n'enyim ase ebe mame ebo waru what bayo na apo wonto bedesia. Subscribe to the channel. Let me have your own view and share na yankasa vibes ni na yin.